Hello friends, this is Veena once again with another video, chamomile tea benefits. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video and know its numerous benefits. Chamomile is an herb that comes from the daisy-like flowers of Asteraceae plant family. It has been consumed for centuries as a natural remedy for several health conditions. To make chamomile tea, chamomile flowers are firstly dried and then infused into hot water. But nowadays, everything is available in the form of tea bags in the market. Many people enjoy chamomile tea as a caffeine-free alternative of black or green tea and for its earthy, somewhat sweet taste. Furthermore, chamomile tea is loaded with antioxidants that may play a role in lowering your risks of several diseases including heart disease and cancer. It has been used as a traditional folk remedy for a wide range of health issues. Nowadays, researchers are increasingly exploring its effectiveness in managing illness, including cancer and diabetes. One of the most important benefits of chamomile tea is it promotes sleep and treats insomnia. It is commonly regarded as a mild tranquilizer or sleep inducer. Its calming effects may be attributed to an antioxidant called epigenin, which is found in abundance in chamomile tea. Epigenin binds to specific receptors in your brain that may decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. Chamomile tea can also strengthen the immune system. Even if the effect is minimal, you can't go wrong since it is loaded with powerful antioxidants. Chamomile tea also helps in soothing muscle pain. It contains 36 flavonoids which have anti-inflammatory properties. You can massage chamomile essential oil onto affected muscles to provide relief from spasms. Chamomile tea can also help relax sore muscles. Another important benefit is it provides relief from menstrual cramps. Chamomile tea can help you relax the uterus and spasmodic contractions due to its antispasmodic properties. In a cup of hot water, dip the chamomile tea bag and let it steep for 10 minutes. Remove the tea bag and add lemon juice or honey to it and drink 2 cups every day during the week before your period. Chamomile tea is light, flavorful, and often considered one of the most soothing types of tea. It's often used to relax your digestive muscles and treat issues like gas, indigestion, motion sickness, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Chamomile tea is also found beneficial to heal wounds and cuts. It has been used since antiquity to treat wounds and urge healing thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A small yet more recent study found that chamomile significantly promoted wound healing. Chamomile tea is also found beneficial to relieve stress. This daisy-like flower is synonymous with calm, making chamomile among the most well-known stress-soothing teas. One study found that long-term use of chamomile extract significantly reduced moderate to severe symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. Sipping into hot chamomile tea could do wonders for your skin too. This magic potion can be used as a natural skin bleach. Chamomile tea is packed with antioxidants which helps boost your skin health. It lightens the complexion and also gives you that glow you always wanted. That's all for now, girls. Keep smiling and stay beautiful. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.